What is the difference between if x equals true and if x? Hello Stack Overflow community smile. I am learning Python at the moment and I don't understand the true/false concept entirely. In Python the number 0 is associated to false and 1 to true. When I write following code, I get y is true, because the 1 is truthy. And I get x is false, but I thought that this should be also true, because there is a value, x equals 2, and not none, 0, etc. When I write then I get x is true, because x is not empty and thus truthy. What is the exact difference between if x and if x equals true?
The difference is that if x column checks the truth value of x, the truth value of all integers except 0 is true, in this case, the 2. If x equals true column, however, compares x to the value of true, which is a kind of 1. Comparing 2 equals 1 results in a false value. To be exact, there are two adjacent concepts. The one is the truth value, which determines the behavior of if, while etc. The other are the values true and false, which have the respective truth values true and false, but are not necessarily equal odd other true resp. False values. If you absolutely need to check for the exact values of true and false for whatever reason, you can do so with if x is true or if x is false. This ensures that if y is exactly true will pass the test, if it is 1, it won't.
The equals operator doesn't compare the truthiness of its operands, it compares their values. When Boolean values are used in a context that requires numbers, such as when comparing them with numbers, they get converted automatically. True becomes 1, false becomes 0. So, is effectively equivalent to. This is why. Does not succeed. Int true is 1, so this is equivalent to.
Equivalent ways to look at the problem. Since your x is an integer, and
Legislação, que vamos subscrever.